buckle, tight as can be. C is for cake, sweet and soft and round. D is for dolphin, splashing in play. E is for eel, slippery and long. F is for football, kicked across the green. G is for gazebo, where picnics rest. H is for harp, played at its best. I is for indigo, deep blue and bright. J is for jug, full of water to pour. K is for kiosk, by the street. L is for lamb, soft and white. M is for motorbike, fast on the street. N is for necklace, shiny and clear. O is for octopus, with 8 arms so bright. P is for panther, fast on feet. Q is for quail, a bird small and quick. R is for radar, tracking the air. S is for snake, slithering smooth on the ground. T is for tornado, spinning with speed. U is for Uranus, spinning in space so blue. V is for velvet, soft as can be. W is for window, letting sunlight in bright. X is for xylograph, carved just right. Y is for yacht, sailing smooth and free. Z is for zorilla, a skunk-like creature with a fierce little swagger.